All right, welcome back, fabulous fifth graders. This is Mr. Allman. All right, this is our second video here. We're learning how to build a website with code. Okay, so some things to think about as you work in CodeCademy is what is HTML, what is CSS, sorry. How can I use what I'm learning for our own websites, right, and Weebly? And how is learning code going to benefit me in the future? Okay, so again, this is difficult stuff, I know, and for some of you, you might not like it, or maybe you will, but we need to show some grit and always have optimism and positive attitude. All right, I'm working on it as well, and I can show you what I've learned, and hopefully you do enjoy it. All right, so we're going back to CodeCademy. Click here, and we're going to log in this time since we already created an account. All right, so I'm going to log in with my username. Your username should be your lunch number. Password is your 8-digit birthday. And let's go ahead and log on. All right, here are all our courses that we can take. So there's lots of different things. We're going to actually use make a website, but there's Ruby on Rails, making an interactive website, all these different things that we can eventually get to. All right, so command line, learn Java, lots of different free classes that are incredible. Okay, we're going to start with make a website because we're trying to build websites, and so this is something you could use for your Weebly. All right, so go ahead and click make a website, and here we go. This tells us there are 300,000 other students already enrolled in this. It takes about 3 hours to get through this first course, and it is just a beginner level. Okay, so they're going to walk you through this. We're going to click start. All right, and here's how this works. It'll give you an introduction over here. So what web pages are created using HTML and CSS? What do these languages do? And here you go. This is what HTML is. All right, it's basically the bones of a website. It's what makes a web page look like it does. And then the CSS is almost like the skin of the website. It's the design, it's the layout of the page. Okay. So once you start, click. All right, I think I've got that part. And some of this is just reading, right? And then it'll get to the point where it's actually having you work on building. Okay, so you'll just read and get to the point where we're actually changing things on a website. Okay, so a lot of this is a viewing window right here. So you're just viewing what's happening, and on this side is the code. All right, so for example, H1 is going to be this right here. Find a place. That's our H1, header 1, H1. And we're just going to change it to there we go. So we just changed a line of code. All right, you just wrote your first line of code. So you told the computer that you wanted to change the heading 1 to this is the main heading. All right, once you do, you got it. All right. So we're going to work through our first course. Give it a shot. Okay. Let me know what you think. Good luck.